In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot Breeze Prospecting Agent. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to your sales or CRM dashboard. Make sure Breeze AI features are enabled in your account settings. Next, open the Prospecting Agent tool from the AI or sales workspace. This tool helps you find and qualify potential leads automatically. After that, set your targeting preferences like industry, company size, job role, or location. This helps the AI find the most relevant prospects for your business. Once your filters are set, run the Prospecting Agent. It will start analyzing data and generate a list of high-quality leads based on your criteria. Next, you can review each suggested prospect, check their details, and decide whether to add them to your CRM or outreach list. You can also use it with emails or sequences to start automated outreach and follow-ups. Finally, save your selected leads and monitor them inside your CRM for conversions. That's it. You can now use HubSpot Breeze Prospecting Agent to find better leads, save time, and improve your sales performance. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.